Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download apps on an HP laptop. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down Microsoft Store. Click on it. After once done, just go ahead over to the top on this profile icon, click on it and just log in with your Microsoft account. And once you're logged in the left panel, you have apps, games, and even themes. All right. So for example, I would go ahead over to apps. Let's say I'm trying to download Instagram. Okay, I'm just going to click on it and then just click on install. Now, if you can't find your app listed, okay, or your app is not listed, well, use the search bar. Let's say you wanted to download TikTok. Okay, type it down, hit on enter, and TikTok should be here. Here we have CapCut as well. So TikTok it is, and just click on install. Okay, once installed, it will say open. Well, go ahead and click on open or find your apps using your search bar. Let's say TikTok or Instagram. Here we have it. All right, and that's basically it. Now, if you want to be more advanced using a browser to download some apps, well, just visit the trusted website, click on the download button, install it. It should be good to go. That's how easy it is to download apps on an HP laptop. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.